Hello everyone, Simon here, and everything's running smoothly. Great. Let's all join the stream, open your accounts on your trading platforms. We've got new members joining us and it's fantastic, so much interest. As many of you know from watching my videos, I've been trading professionally for over 7 years, and for the past 4 I've been focused solely on options because it's where I feel I can reach my full potential and get very good results. I've received many requests on Telegram from you all for a live trading session where you could trade with me face to face. That's not possible on Telegram, but I'm excited to connect with you all here on YouTube. So that's why I'm here. For those who are new here, I trade online and share my trades on Telegram pretty often. Anyone can copy my trades and get the same results. You'll find the link to my Telegram channel in the video description. Alright, today I'm trying out a new format on YouTube. I'll also be teaching you how to precisely identify resistance and support levels. So let's hope for a smooth session and that my internet connection cooperates. Here we go. I've already set up my trading platform. I've chosen an investment amount of $50. I just hold my cursor here and enter the amount I want. I'm going with the standard trade time frame of 1 minute. I've shown you where to select that. We've got a candlestick time frame of 30 seconds. You can modify this option here. Now let's add the currency pairs. I'm going with the Australian dollar, the US dollar, the Canadian dollar, the Swiss franc, euro, the Swiss franc, and finally euro, the Japanese yen. I will also be using the RSI and stochastic indicators. Now that our platform is set up and ready to go, I must say it's incredibly user-friendly. I really like the interface, everything is accessible and intuitive. By the way, if you're wondering why I picked this specific indicators and currency pairs, and how do you choose currency pairs in general, you might already have an idea if you've been following me on Telegram and trading with my signals for a while. But if not, you can find more details in the description and the first pinned comment. And most importantly, now let's take a look at the support and resistance lines using the pairs as our example. I will draw them out on the chart and explain why these levels are so crucial. Chart movement tends to be most active between these levels. That's why it's important to understand their impact. Let me demonstrate. Alright, so here's the resistance line. And the support line is here. The resistance line is where the price hit its bounce down, usually because sellers are pushing to keep it from going higher. Buyers often take profits at this point. Conversely, the support line is where the price hits and bounces up, typically because buyers prevent it from falling lower. They might also see it as a good opportunity to enter a trade. Recognizing this level makes it easier to predict where the chart might head next. So, with that sorted, let's kick off this open online session with yours truly, Simon. Here we go. Trade 1. Euro, the Japanese yen. It's the perfect moment to invest and click lower. You ask why? Well, if you check the indicators, you'll notice that the price has reached a strong resistance level. Additionally, the RSI has dips below 50 and stochastic chart is heading into the oversold zone. All signs point to a price drop. It's really important to enter trades promptly because the market can change very quickly, especially when you're dealing with such short time frames like 1 minute. Now let's talk indicators. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, shows who's in control, buyers or sellers, over a set period. This helps us anticipate where prices might go next. The stochastic indicator helps me spot trends in assets. If it's above 50, it means the trend is bullish, and below 50 suggests it's a bearish trend. Just a bit more to go. The trade is almost wrapped up. Great, well done. I've just made $96 in profit. Now let's move on to the next currency pair. Euro and franc. Today let's examine several currency pairs to understand how support and resistance levels are formed and how they impact price movements. By the end of this video, I'm confident you'll see the value in this. I've adjusted the investment amount to $96. Now let's paint the support and resistance levels again. Let me highlight them for you. Here we have the upper level. Initially it was a support level, now it's acting as resistance, as you can clearly see. The price broke through it and made it shift rolls. As a result, the price declines, pushing the chart lower, and there is a reversal. The price bounces back up and the candles start rising. Now let's see where the lower level is. It's currently serving as support. Take a look at the chart, we can see that the candles have approached the resistance level. I anticipate a reversal soon. Looks like I'm headed downwards. Yep, it seems like buyers are pushing towards the resistance level really hard, not a single red candle inside since bouncing off the support level. And you know how it goes, this kind of moves often lead to quick reversals, keep that in mind. And hey, if you've got any questions while we're trading, don't hesitate to drop them in the charts. Asking questions is the best way to learn, so fire away. Wait a second, did I forget to enable the charts? See? Yeah, I did. My bad. I was so excited to kick off the stream that it's totally slipped my mind. Okay, how about you send your questions via personal message on Telegram? Sound good? I'll make sure to share the link right under the video after the live stream, so go ahead, send your questions on Telegram. I'll get back to you as soon as the live stream is over. Alright, in the meantime, I've already made $184. So far the session is going well, let's keep it up. Okay, I'll get back to this later, can't lose focus. Now the Canadian dollar, the Swiss franc. First things first, let's adjust the amounts. Now let's re-evaluate our levels. Yeah, let's see how they align with this pair. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts on today's formats, so feel free to share your feedback in the comments below the video or on Telegram. Looking at the chart here, I can see that I only need to draw one line here. Let's do that now. Like that. This marks the support level that the chart just broke through. Now it's turned into resistance level. The price reached its peak and then went through a prolonged downtrend. Currently, both indicators are signaling a bearish trend, so it's a downward investment. Yeah, here we go. Understanding support and resistance levels is crucial in trading. It's all about whether an asset breaks through these levels or not. That dictates how prices move. That's why I encourage everyone to practice this skill actively. Learning to read charts is key. Practicing the skill in real time is super helpful too, and there's a way to do it with minimal risks. Trade with me. Subscribe to my Telegram channel with 20,000 followers already trading with me. During my live sessions, I'll be sending you trading signals. Trading sessions happen daily and it's absolutely free. Yes, you heard it right. I trade every single day, no day offs. For those who just joined, the link is in the video description below. So, if everything goes as expected, I will get $353 because the profitability of this currency pair is 92%. Yes, got it. Moving on to the next pair now. The Australian dollar, the US dollar. I'm putting in 353 here. All right. Levels. Let's doodle on the charts. Well, this is interesting. I'll mark 3 levels for clarity. The central one goes here. It used to resist the price, now it supports it. Because initially the price bounced between this level and the lower level, but now it's going to fluctuate between this and the top one. Alright, back to trading, let's hit lower. If you've noticed, this chart is not as clear-cut as the ones I've shown before. If you're not that experienced in trading, it's best to sit this one out. As right now I'm trading for myself and not giving anyone any signals, I'm gonna go ahead and test my theory. It's impossible to become a skilled trader by just reading books and stuff. Hands-on experience is key. Right now I'm taking the risk with my own money and I'm definitely not saying you should do the same. Take a look at what's going on with the chart. First, the price tried to push up a bit, trying to break through the level, but then we saw it start to drop just as I anticipated. And even the indicators follow it, heading down. Honestly, we are seeing a divergence on our stochastic, so downward movement is bound to happen. A bit more. Yep. My deposit is at $678 right now. I've already explained all about our levels, so it's time for the final trade. Euro and yen again. I'm going in with 678 US dollars. Look at the chart. The bulls have pushed quite high, but it looks like they've hit their peak. The resistance level has been breached. RSI is not climbing further, and stochastic has started to dip with divergence on the horizon, so downward investment it is. I think it's pretty obvious how important technical analysis. It's a key for successful trading. Understanding its concept and constantly learning is crucial. Divergence, its types and ways to identify them, it's all very important to grasp. That's why I offer solid educational resource on my Telegram. I get how tough it can be, especially for those without technical or mathematical backgrounds, but wrapping your head around these concepts is important for achieving good results in trading. So, if you know how valuable quality educational materials are, and that not many are willing to provide them for free, join us to level up your trading game. Let's learn and make money together, guys. Click the link below and welcome aboard. Our trade is almost wrapped up, just a little longer. Awesome job, everyone who joined me in trading today. Congratulations. Despite the market's volatility, we nailed it. My earnings for today hit 1,302. cheers to all of us for a fantastic trading session. Let's do it again soon. And to make your trading even more secure and lucrative, join my Telegram channel, get insights, signals, and trade with us. Find the link in the description and see you there. That's all for today. See you.